Good morning.
Closed Saturday and Sunday. What the fuck?
Yeah, right. Wow. Super Bowl day. Tomorrow, superhero. Hey y'all. Good morning. For lunch today, we have some oven fryer fries and a burger. Ketchup. Tomorrow is superhero league day for the kiddos. So we have to get bottled waters, Gatorades, other little snacks before tomorrow. That means a trip to Sam's Club will definitely take place at some point. And yeah, one thing at a time. Sam's Club, snacks. We'll take the rest from there later. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. It is good morning.
Closed Saturday and Sunday. What the fuck?
Yeah, the Trophy House is closed on Saturdays. We just arrived to pick up the jerseys? Yeah, right.
The Superhero League that we're hosting begins in 4 hours. We just pulled up to the business to pick up the jerseys, and the business is closed. We were completely devastated, but after making countless phone calls and sending several emails, God showed up and showed out for us like He always does.
Superhero League Day. Team Paw Patrol. Last minute technicalities. I have to send the roster over, email that to my mister so he can print it out because I do not have service in here. Okay. Roster. How cute is that? We are all set up for the most part. Ready for the kiddos to arrive. I'll sit here, get them all checked in. They're gonna have a great time. This sheet has the sizes on it, which I can't read. So I'm gonna write them on here. So that way when the kids come to check in, I can see what size their jersey is, what size jersey they need, and the team all in one spot, and they're good to go. So let's get this done. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4. Who I'm missing?
So you should have Christopher.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm 75 for the rest of the day. I've been doing my work for the day. So, let's get out of here.
Homemade hot sauce. Thank you. Peanut dinner, no onion. Thank you. Chips, cheese, meat, and gravy. Full order. Anything else we can grab? Everything is fine. All right, enjoy. Thank you.
I still got some more of this though. I forgot I like to put this on mine.
I like that kind of takeout. That has some spice to it.
You like it?